Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 69 Charger with a HEMI under the hood. This thing was originally a B7 blue car. It's been returned to that color, rotisserie restored, stripped down to bare metal. It's had the HEMI added to it. It's a 4-speed. It's got a Dana rear end, and it's probably the nicest Charger I've ever driven. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com, and we're going to get it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're going to look under the hood. We're going to get out and drive it. We're going to show you everything you want to see so you can make a great decision on your Charger investment. So come on up, and we're going to fire this HEMI up for you right now. So check this beauty out. Look at that grill. It looks brand spanking new. The chrome looks brand spanking new. And this B7 blue is laid on there slick as can be. The metallic is laid down beautifully. They did a great job painting this car. Now that line is nearly perfectly straight, nearly perfectly flush with the front fender. I love the steely wheels on it. Those center caps look like they're brand spanking new. The wheel lip moldings look good. All the reflections look good. Now the door, again, fits nearly perfect. That line is, I gotta call it perfect. It is beautiful. It's got HEMI badges on it now. Now don't forget, this car was born with a 440 in it, and it was a real RT. So this car started out life and then was upgraded to the HEMI status. Look at this. Look how nice and clean everything is. You can see the latch was brand new. All the rubber's new. All the interior is beautiful. Look at that steering wheel. It looks like a brand new 1969 Charger steering wheel. That dash, all the chrome looks good. All the paint looks good. All the finishes look great. Armrest car. We got seat belts in the back seat too, so you can take the kiddies for a ride. Headliner looks good, dome lights working, shoulder belts are there, dash pad itself's in beautiful shape, and don't forget this big old long Hurst shifter in there with that T-handle on it. Gas fill cap looks like it's brand new, and again, all the paint work back here, slick as can be. All these lines are nice and straight, nice and flush. Chrome looks good. Chrome on the taillights look good. The lenses on the taillights look good. And that's what everybody's looking for right there, is that real RT. Then we're going to pop open the trunk. Now you guys all know on all these Mopars, you got to look at these trunk floors. Look at that one. All painted up, looking good. And all of this sealing in here is just like they did in the factory. Back sides of the quarters look good. All the gutters here are nicely painted. The rubber's been replaced. The lips here on the deck lid look good. Look at that, brand new latch here. Everything about this car. I mean, it looks like a brand new Charger. Look down the side of it. Straight as an arrow, long as a bus. The paint man's got thousands of hours blocking this thing out. Now it does have the date code brand new glass in it. We got great looking rubber everywhere. All the stainless looks good. That roof is perfectly flat. I tell you, it's just an amazing car, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our inventory. We do zero consignment. We've got about 235 cars right now that we have for sale. And then we're bringing in like 45 to 50 new cars every month. Now I'm involved in buying every one of those cars. So you're getting my expertise helping you pick out your dream car. All right, HEMI 69 Charger time, guys. 4-speed. What a sweet ride this is. Man, I love me some Charger with a HEMI in it. Just going through the gears, driving awesome. I tell you what, This is probably one of the nicest driving Chargers I've driven in a minute, guys. This thing is beautiful. And that HEMI power up front, that is exactly what you want in the front of your Charger. And of course, you gotta have this big old long 4-speed shifter. Her style shift handle here, all chromed up. And listen to this beauty. HEMI power right there, guys. I'm just touching the accelerator. This thing is sweet. Now we can deliver it anywhere in the world because we are expert shippers. Call us anytime at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now look down here on the dash. Everything on the dash is working too. The tach's working, the speedo's working, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, oil gauge, alternator gauge. Even this old Chrysler radio is making old AM radio sounds. Look at that. Even the horn's working on the steering wheel, guys. And I tell you what's really working, that accelerator, man. The accelerator's working good. She is downshifting good, upshifting good. Now, we're right outside the Motor City. We're real close to the airport. We would love to have you come out and check out this Charger. Right now, we've got about 230 cars in stock. We're bringing in 45 to 50 new cars every month. A lot of our customers buy sight unseen, but man, we love to have people come out. We actually just had a guy come out today. I think he flew in from Vancouver, and he bought one of our Eleanor cars. And we took him right back to the airport, and he's on his way home, and we're gonna deliver that Eleanor right to his driveway. Now we're gonna do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop open the hood, take a look at that HEMI. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Charger investment. So stick with us, we're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 69 Charger now, and man, this thing is beautiful under here. Stainless steel tank, looking all polished up and great. 3-inch exhaust, front to back, mandrel bent. Of course, everything under here is brand new. The drop downs, the trunk floor looks new, the frame looks new, the Koni shocks are new, the Dana rear end looks like it's brand new. It's got a 354 gear and it is a sure grip. The brake lines are brand new. The flex line here is brand new. We've got the drum brakes, it looks like the drums are brand new. The backing plates look new. The guys will pull the brakes apart and make sure they're in good shape. We got Dynamax mufflers here. That's the reason she sounds so good. I mean, the drive shaft's painted up, and look at these floorboards, looking beautiful. Torque boxes all painted up, looking beautiful. Brand new brake line front to back. Looks like the parking brake cable's brand new. We got brand new fuel lines running front to back. We do have, this is a, let's see, who is it? It looks like Denny's drive shafts. That's what the drive shaft came from. This cross member here is one you need to check on every one of the Chargers when you're buying a Charger. This cross member, of course, just like the rest of the car, looks brand new. Front frame horns look good. The pinch welds and the back sides of the rockers look great. We do, the previous owner tells us this is a HEMI trans out of a Charger. We've got the mechanical clutch that's all stock appearing here. Just everything about the car, all the paint marks here on the nuts, make sure nothing loosening up. We got sway bar here, all the bushings look brand new. We do have drum brakes up front, and again, brand new drums, and the guys will pull them apart, make sure they're in good working order. We do have coated stainless lines here, flex lines going to those. The ball joints, of course, look new, and the shocks up front look new. Everything, the K member looks great. I mean, just everything about the car. You're gonna have to get some mirrors if you buy this car, because you're gonna wanna show the bottom side of this car off, because she is gorgeous. Look at the paintwork, right down to the bottom edge there, looking awesome. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got 70-15s. Now these are wide ovals, and of course you see the red stripe. I love the hubcaps on this thing, man. They are beautiful. They look brand new. And look at the paintwork on that wheel. I tell you what, the paintwork on that wheel looks as good as the paintwork on that front fender. And look at the bottom side of that rocker there. All the drain holes look good. The pinch weld looks great. It is gorgeous. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back, same good looking tires, same size, same good looking nut cover, same good looking paint on the wheel, and look at the bottom of this rocker. Look at that torque box. Look at the paint job on the torque box, guys. It's even got the extra plate welded in there. I mean, everything about this car looks brand spanking new. I'm telling you, it's the nicest Charger I've ever seen. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a big old HEMI 472 stroker. It's got an 800 CFM Edelbrock carb sitting on top. Of course, that's a 4-barrel. We got a Mopar intake on it. It's got aluminum Edelbrock heads, and look at the negative cable there. They even painted it just like they would have in a factory. Man, it is beautiful under here. They've used all the factory correct clamps. It's got good looking hoses on it. We've got Chrysler stamps on the hoses. The alternator looks correct, power steering, manual brakes, but it stops on a dime, guys. It's got the fender tag there. Like I said, it was a real RT, started out life as a 440. It's been upgraded to this gigantic HEMI. She runs awesome. All the wiring looks good. All the paintwork looks good. It's got a Chrysler radiator in it. Just everything about the car is phenomenal, guys. The paintwork on the bottom side of the hood, the firewall looks brand new, the windshield wiper motor looks brand new. You can see the wiring harness going through the pass-through there, and the firewall looks like it's brand new. I mean, everything, all the clips on the wiring harness. The car's amazing. You guys gotta call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.